This real-time RT-PCR is suitable to rapidly diagnose rabies in ante-mortem and post-mortem samples. The Pan-lyssavirus primers have been optimized to identify all members of the lyssavirus genus. This is a rapid, sensitive and closed-tube assay that detects viruses from across the lyssavirus genus, including highly divergent species, from clinical specimens.
The OIE has recently accepted molecular assays to report rabies infection. This is particularly important for decomposed specimens, which cannot always be diagnosed by virus culture or antigen detection methods.
Due to the sensitivity of this assay, good laboratory practice, including separation of the different stages, is vital to minimise the risk of contamination.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Daisy Jennings, a diagnostician from my laboratory.
Start by quantifying RNA with a microvolume spectrophotometer. Ensure the machine is set to RNA, and use 1 to 2 microliters of molecular-grade water to normalize the machine and establish a baseline. Measure RNA concentration, and adjust it to 1 microgram per microliter. Plan the layout of your PCR plate with a spreadsheet, taking into account both test and control samples. Prepare a PCR workstation by disinfecting surfaces, and if using a UV cabinet, turn on the UV light 10 minutes prior to starting. Remove reagents and primers from the freezer to thaw, but keep the enzyme mix on ice at all times. Mix the reagents and centrifuge briefly to collect the liquid. Prepare PCR master mixes for lyssavirus and beta-actin according to the manuscript directions.